Hi, it's Ken from Winning West. I'm gonna show you 1996 Subaru Sambar van, the micro-size van, uh, K truck category, blue and off-white exterior, two-tone color. It's custom painted. This car is 25 years old, but rarely find dents. Can see some scratches, no big, like this, but no dents, no damage found. Good condition. And the interior is also good condition. The mileage is 113,000 kilometers. It's like a 75 or around 70,000 miles. Okay, then the US frequency radio is installed with 6.5 inch 6.5 inch speakers, and also installed the keyless remote entry. Has a second seat. Second seat is a good condition. It comes with a real factory seat floor mat. And good thing is both sides sliding seat. And usually van's sliding door has only pops up, but this one slide down with roll down. And this seat folded completely to the floor. Okay, like this. And this space, more than 6 foot length. Actually 6'5" people can sleep, lay down. And the headroom has a 4 feet, so 6, and a 6 by 4 by 4. And this is very another storage space under the seat. And engine located all the way back. The Subaru's 4-cylinder engine. And another latch opens. The Clover 4 cylinders look layout into flat, head this way. And this is only 4-cylinder in K-van category, then it's much faster than others. You feel difference. If you drive Honda or Suzuki, Subaru is faster. The alternator, AC, compressor, this is carburetor, air cleaner, and the cylinder. Then over there, the fuel pump. I unfolded sofa bed like a futon style. It's a 6 foot, and fridge and the sink. Sink works well. Doesn't have a drain, but it's gonna. This is my invention. It's gonna. This is a 2.5 gallon water just buy in the supermarket, and a USB pump. It's good for just a quick rinse and toothbrush and face wash, hand washing. So out, and another space in here, coffee set. Anytime can make coffee. Great thing is no wheel well like a regular van or truck. So totally 4x6 is free space and 4 feet headroom.